Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will learn about Book Module. Let's see the key features and benefits. You can integrate book products for your print store, just like any other standard product. This enables your customers to personalize a few book pages and place book product orders anytime and anywhere. It gives separate pricing formula for printing and copies. It allows your customers to upload books' inner pages and preview the same. It allows you to manage additional options, binding options, cover, and paper. Let's have a look into the admin. Go to the products. There, you can see the add button, click on it. Here we need to put the details of the product like product title, product type, which will be book product, then category, price defining method, which will be range based with multiplication. Now, enable the Color Pages button, in order to allow your customers to order for Color Pages book. You can rename the labels here for black and white, and Color Pages text box on front. Enable the Status button, in order to enable the product on the front end. Then choose the user type. Default store. If you want to show in a private store, just choose the specific store-wise, or department-wise. Then, choose the product action buttons. Here as you can see, Browse Design, Custom Design, Upload Design, No Cover, and Cover included in inner pages. Rest of the things below are similar to the standard product, so save this and continue. Add description details including small and large image uploads. Then click on Save and Continue, and add designer details like size title, and bleed sizes. Put margin details, and add the number of pages like front and back for the cover. Next go to the pricing section. Here you can add the quantity range starting from 1 to 300, with black and white unit price per page, and for the color page as well. Similarly, we can add other ranges for different sizes. Click on the Save and Continue button. Here, we need to add the additional option details like coding. So, click on Add button, and you can add the details like title, choose presentation group, and then choose applicable for, and type as per your requirement of the options and price calculation. Add attributes, and also you can enable price multiply by quantity, and cover option buttons. Then, click on the attribute price button in order to add attribute prices. Similarly, you can add the attributes price for all other additional options. Now, go to the front store of this product and check how it works. As you can see here we can upload the inner content pages. We have two options, upload inner content pages, and upload content pages letters. For this, we have a setting in the admin under the Upload tab, which is Upload Artwork and Content Pages Later option. Enable this button. If you upload any file, it will auto-calculate the number of pages in the file, and shows it in the black and white pages text box. You can add the color pages as per your requirement. Then you can see the total price summary here. For the additional option details, click on the Expand Group button, and change the attribute to see the price. After that, we can see the action buttons of the product where we can design the cover using a template, customer design, and upload design. And if there is no cover, or if the cover is included in the inner pages, we can choose the respective buttons. Then check the box, and click on Continue Checkout button. Here we can see a created template design for the cover. Now, let's see in the admin panel, how to create a template for the book cover. Go to Template section, click on Add button, choose User Type, select Product and Size, then add the title and keep the template type as Customizable Template. And click on Save and Continue button. Here you can design the cover, using text and images tools with different fonts, sizes, and colors. After that, click on Continue button, and also it will ask you to enter the design name which you can put as per your choice, and click on the Save button. Thanks for watching this video. In case of any further queries, feel free to connect with us.